Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited recruitment for different vacancies, that is assistant manager and some of the posts. And here are the details of this notification. The important dates: this is the official site of Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited, and these are the important dates. 11th March is the start of registration for these posts, and exam date is also mentioned 17th April 2021. So this is the official notification. As you can see here, online registration will start from 11/3/2021, and last date for online application is 2nd of April 2021, and 17th of April will be the examination to be held, that is computer based test. So Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation, also Lucknow Metro Rail Corporation is a 50/50 jointly owned company of government of Uttar Pradesh, and also Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation. So both are recruiting through one notification, that is one exam. The post names are assistant manager, as you can see here, and this is a pay scale 50,000 to 1,60,000 is the pay scale for assistant manager. There are vacancies or 6 vacancies, and this is the classification of vacancies. So the branches, that is minimum education qualification to apply for this post is bachelor degree, that is BTech, in either electrical or electronics and communication, or any equivalent, that is electrical or electronics and communication, with 60% of marks for unreserved category and 50% of marks for reserved category, that is SC category only, because there is only one post for SC category. So this is what the vacancies of assistant manager operations, and the age criteria is 21 to 28 years, and medical standards is executive. So this is the E01 cadre, excellent pay scale, great opportunity, you can apply for this. And for non-executive post, that is station control operation, station control cum train operator, this is the pay scale 33,000 to 67,300. there are 186 vacancies, and the requisite qualification is 3 years engineering, that is a diploma in electrical or electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication or equivalent from Government of India, and with minimum 60% of marks and 50% for unreserved and 50% for SC/ST category, and the age criteria is 21 to 28 years. And next vacancy, that is maintainer in the stream of electrical, 19,500 to 39,500 is a grade pay, and there are 52 vacancies, and the qualification is ITI in electrician trade with 60% marks for unreserved, EWS and OBC, and 50% for SC/ST. And for maintainer S&T and maintainer civil, the same is the pay scale. There are 24 vacancies for maintainer S&T stream and 24 for civil. The eligibility criteria is ITI in the stream, which is mechanic trade for maintainer S&T, and fitter trade for civil. The age criteria is 21 to 28 years. So this is regarding the non-executive category posts for the recruitment of Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail. So the qualification and selection procedure, the qualification we have seen in this video, and selection procedure for the post of assistant manager will be based on 2-stage process, that is first written test followed by document verification and medical examination, that is medical checkup. And for a station controller cum train operator, the selection procedure is 3-stage process, that is written test, psychometry test, that is psycho, and also aptitude test, followed by document verification and medical examination. For the post of station controller cum train operator. For the post of maintainer, the selection methodology is 2-stage process, that is written test followed by document verification and medical examination. So this is the selection procedure for different posts, that is executive cadre and non-executive cadre, and the written test will be comprising of the CBT, that is a computer based test. As you can see here, computer based test, and there will be the questions of a question paper will be bilingual, that is either in English and Hindi. The objective questions, that is the multiple choice questions, type questions, and there will be English language section, general awareness section, a logical ability, that is reasoning, and quantitative aptitude, and knowledge of discipline, that is which stream you belong to. The total questions, that is number of questions, are 140 questions for the category of E01, that is assistant manager, and non-technical E01, 140 questions, and 100 questions for the non-executive career, that is maintainer. Each question carry equal marks, that is 1 for 100 questions 100 marks, 140 questions 140 marks. So this is the CBT criteria, and there will be negative marking, and the time duration for this exam is 2 hours duration. So the candidate who qualify the written test for the station controller, train operator, and in the merit within the zone of consideration is decided by the authority, that is UPMRC authority, and they will be called for psycho test or document verification depending upon the post you apply. The exam will be conducted only in the mode of online, so this is a great opportunity. And remember, exam centers will be in the vicinity of Uttar Pradesh only, because it is Lucknow Metro or Uttar Pradesh Metro. So CBT will be held in Lucknow, Kanpur, Agra, Prayagraj, Varanasi, so Gorakhpur, Meerut, Jhansi, Bareilly, and Gautam Budh Nagar, that is Noida, and Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, Aligarh, Moradabad, Muzaffarnagar. So this is in the vicinity of Uttar Pradesh. So the examination center will be in the vicinity of Uttar Pradesh, as you can see here, and this is the pay scale, as you have already seen. And now there will be a bond after you see. This is a training. During the training, you need to give a assurance that you will not quit that till the requisite amount of training. So this is the bond. What is the bond? That is for executive post, you need to provide this much, and you need to execute a security bond of 3 lakhs plus GST to serve a minimum of 3 years. 3 years for executive post. This is for EWS and general category. For SC and TO posts, that is the bond will be 1,50,000. So this is regarding the bond, and during the training period you need to give that assurance. And now application fees is 590 rupees plus GST, that is 18% of GST for unreserved and OBC candidates, and for SC there will be 236 rupees, SC or ST 236 rupees for plus GST, and it will be not refunded. Remember, in order to apply for the post of any reservation, that is OBC or SC ST, in order to claim that reservation, you need to be the domicile of Uttar Pradesh. That means you need to have Uttar Pradesh domicile. So the other state candidates will be considered to be the general candidate. So this is regarding the Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation. If you are new to my channel, I request you all to see my latest job updates, the playlist which is displayed at the end of the video, or I icon. If you just click on I icon, you can see it from the playlist. If you have any doubts, please do comment. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.